Now this is a car not to be messed with, and it's one of the best specified examples on the market. I love the colour, I love the way the car looks. This is the BMW M340 diesel xDrive. Very in demand car at the moment. You'll see we've got a couple of these in stock. I had a very similar car in like this in white about a week ago with a sunroof, like this car's got, by the way, that was so popular, and I think this one will be the same. It's covered 6,000 miles, it's in Portimao Blue, but the styling on the car as well as the options is just going to sell this car. So 20-inch wheels, all in gloss black. The car's got a Shadowline package, which means that it's got the gloss black mirrors, the grills, the window surrounds, the privacy glass, slightly tinted lights. We've also got an M Performance styling on this car, which beefs it up. The side sills, the front splitter, the rear splitter, I'll show you as we go around the car. The car's got a comfort pack, which means it's got keyless entry, keyless start, heated steering wheel. It's got a tech pack, which means it's got head-up display, Harman Kardon. But it's an unbelievable car. Look at it from the front end, the LED lights. You'll see we've got the M Performance splitter at the bottom, the black grills. The colour as well works on the car. It's very sporty, it's up to date, it's modern. And then paired with the 20-inch wheels with the side skirts, it looks incredible. Blue M braking calipers. The car's a fast car, 340 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in well sub of 5 seconds. Plus it's the xDrive, so it does have that bit of grunt. The ultimate four-wheel drive saloon for us, and they do drive excellently well. You'll notice at the rear end you've got these darkened rear lights as part of the Shadowline pack, the little lip spoiler, and then that big gloss black diffuser. Lots of boot space, reversing camera. These cars, you know, they do power tailgate as well when I get it to work. That's part of the comfort pack. So the tailgate goes up and down electrically. Lots of space in the back. So it's got the right options. It's in beautiful condition. It's a 2020 70 plate, so warranty until 2023 with BMW, but it's only done 6,000 miles. So as you'd expect, its condition is first class. Keyless entry, as I'll show you, 2 pulls of the handle, keys are in my hand. Beautiful black leather interior with the ambient lighting. The car has got everything I would want from a car like this if I was going to spec it. The biggest one for me, as well as the way the car looks, the wheels are 20s, the sunroof. You don't get these cars with sunroofs, and that's a big feature. Harman Kardon, part of the tech pack, full electric seats for driver and passenger with electric lumbar. The seats are very sporty. The M Sport seats do what they need to do. They hug you in. It's a great car, this car, and it's not expensive. Do your research. There's not many cars out there like this that look like this for one, that also are spec like this with the right packs on. So the comfort pack, the tech pack, and then the sunroof. Big features, guys. There's not many of these cars out there, so be very quick. The car's also fitted with a Ghost Immobiliser. The previous gentleman who's had this car has had that put on. That'll stay on the car. Very easy sequence to remember, if you know what it is, of course. Now jumping in, you'll see memory seats, Harman Kardon. So the stereo's up there, it's brilliant. We've got the professional media interface, so digital cockpit behind the steering wheel. We've got head-up display, Tom, if you can come in and see that. As part of the comfort pack, we've got heated steering wheel, which is just here. We've also got all your Bluetooth and stereo controls on the steering wheel. A touchscreen interface, lifting that up there, you've got wireless phone charging, popping the car into reverse, reversing camera, reversing assistance so the car will park itself. We've got all your up-to-date navigation and Bluetooth and the smartphone interfaces you'll enjoy from a car like this. Heated front seats, climate controls, all digital, electric tilt and slide sunroof with powered blind, big feature. It's got everything, adaptive suspension, all your different drive modes down here. It's a wonderful four-wheel drive car with the power, with the fuel efficiency of the diesel engine, with the looks in the right colour and the right spec. This is a phenomenal car. My name's Richard, call me on my number on the screen. Be very quick. The last one I sold off the video within 24 hours. Do the same, ring me on my number. Thanks for watching.